This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Thays Medici. Fully remodeled in 2022, this stunning home is move-in ready and packed with upgrades. A brand new central air system was installed at the end of 2023, and the roof is only 4 years old, providing peace of mind for years to come. The property boasts a sparkling, oversized pool and a massive yard, perfect for entertaining or relaxing. With its expansive lot and prime location, this home also offers incredible investment opportunities. Don't miss your chance to own this versatile property. Schedule your showing today. For more information, review the details below or contact Thays Medici at 206-880-4615.